Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashon Brown. Scotiabank is placing greater emphasis on its insurance business after a proposal to divest that segment to Sagicor fell through. Speaking at a quarterly press briefing on Friday, head of Scotia's life insurance, Dr. Adrian Stokes, explained that the decision to call off the deal was a mutual one. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
The aim of the divestment was to expand and improve the distribution arm of Scotia's life insurance business. It means Scotia Life Insurance customers would have received the enhanced benefits which Sagicor's management provide. But as head of Scotia Life Insurance, Adrian Stokes explains, the company was not able to see eye to eye with Sagicor on certain aspects of the deal.
We tried for a year to ink that deal or to seal that transaction, but we could not arrive at a sweet spot where everyone could agree. Certainly, we weren't, could not agree at where we were headed.
He says although the sale did not materialize, Scotia Life Insurance continues to perform well.
The decision to end that pursuit and to really continue to operate our insurance business as a going concern, to invest in our business, was a good one. The results corroborate that decision. We are very comfortable. Our customers clearly have a lot of confidence in what we're doing and with our brand. This year, we would have increased the number of policies sold by over 20%.
At the same time, Mr. Stokes says the company plans to do a full upgrade of its life insurance products to make its offerings more competitive.
Some of our products were built in an environment of high interest rates. Now we have a substantially different interest rate environment. And so what we want to do is to ensure that we deliver great value to our customers. And so we'll be looking at our products and ensure that we have the right solution given the economic environment that is in Jamaica.
Scotia Group Jamaica recorded $13.1 billion net income for its 2019 financial year. That was a $419 million or 3% increase over last year. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
In currency trading, the Jamaican dollar continues to strengthen. At the end of trading, the US dollar was selling for $134.24. The Canadian dollar sold for $102.02. The pound is going for $175.66, while the euro is going for $151.88. The JC index lost 825 points today, and the junior market index declined by 66 points. Among the winners were Access Financial Services, Mailpac, Portland JSX, Express Catering, and Sterling Investments. On the losing side were CAC 2000 9.5 preference shares, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, SSL Venture Capital, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, and Pulse Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashon Brown. Have a good evening.